हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्ण हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम
हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे
हरे
कृष्ण
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 हरे
हरे हरे राम हरे
हरे कृष्ण
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 कृष्ण हरे
कृष्ण हरे हरे राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण
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 हरे
हरे हरे
राम हरे 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 कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे
राम हरे हैं
हरे कृष्ण
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 हरे हरे राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण
हरे
राम हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे
हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे
हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण
हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna Hare Ram Hare.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees.
Hare
Tanvi
Krishna.
Pranam, Jai Srila Prabhupada. Thank you so much for joining today. Everyone is doing good. Another Friday, and we are still on the virtual programs. Really missing all of you, the personal association. But this is the best we can do, I think. We still need to take some precautions. So, first of all, am I audible? Is the voice okay?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you again for joining. And if possible, please switch on your camera. Thank you, Uncle, as usual, for switching on your cameras. Good to see
Thank you.
you and interact with you. So I will request all devotees to switch on their cameras and let's participate in the discussion as close to each other, possible in this virtual program. So we'll continue with Bhagavad Gita study. And in the end, couple of things I would like to discuss about the upcoming programs. So we can discuss how does that sound, and we can plan accordingly. And if possible, please request all the kids, all the youth also to join. It's very important for them to participate in discussion and participate in this weekly program. So we'll start with our prayers. We start with Jai Radha Madhav. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girvardhari
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Giridhari.
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girvardhari
Vallabha Giridhari.
Yashodanandana Brajjana Ranjana
Yashodanandana Brajjana Ranjana.
Yashodanandana Brajjana Ranjana
Yashodanandana Brajjana Ranjana.
Yamuna Tira Vanachari
Yamuna Tira Vanachari.
Yamuna Tira Vanachari
Yamuna Tira Vanachari.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Jaya
Jaya Radha Madhava
Girvardhari
Bihari.
Yashodanandana Brajjana Ranjana
Yashodanandana Jaya Brajanandana.
Yamuna Tira Vanachari
Yamuna Tira Vanachari.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol.
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari
Jaya
Bol.
Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada.
Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya
Jaya Jaya
Prabhupada.
Gurudev, 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 Jaya Srila Gurudev.
Jaya Jaya Gurudev, 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 Jaya Jaya Gurudev.
Gaur Premanandi,
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Welcome once again. We'll start with Mangala Charan, auspicious prayers, and we'll request to our spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada, and all the previous acharyas to bless us so that whatever we speak, whatever we hear, whatever we discuss today, it can help us in progressing in our devotion in some way or the other. So we'll, with that consciousness, with that mood, we'll start our Mangala Charan. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam
Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kamayam Dadati Sapadantikam
Vandeham
Gurum
Shri
Guru
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 Shri
Sri Yuta Padakamalam
Shri
Sri
Guru
Gurum Vaishnavaksha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam
Sagrajatam
Raguna
Sahagana
Raghunatha
Raghunathanvitam Tam Sachivam Sadvetam Savadhutam Parijan Sahitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam
Devam Shri
Shri
Radha
Radha Krishna
Krishna
Pada
Pada Sagana
Sahagana
Lalita
Lalita Shri
Srivasa
Vishakhanvitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kant Radha Kant Namastute Tapta Kanchan Gaurage Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Vancha Kalpatarobhyasya Kripa Sindhu Bhyavancha Patitanam
Patitamba
Vaishnavebhyo
Vaishnavebhyo
Namo
Namo
Namaha
Nama
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya
Prema
Bhutale
Pradayate
Srimate
Krishnaya
Bhakti
Krishna
Vedanta
Chaitanya
Swami Niti
Namne
Namani
Gauravi
Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine
Pracharine
Nirvishesha Shunyavadi
Vishnavadi
Ashatya
Ashatya
Deshatarine
Deshatarine
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Prabhu
Prabhu
Nityananda
Nityananda
Shri
Shri
Advait
Advait
Gadadhar
Gadadhar
Srivasadi
Srivasadi
Gaur
Gaur
Bhakta
Bhakta
Vrinda
Vrinda
Hare
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 Krishna Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
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 Ram
Ram Hare Ram
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 Hare
Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare
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 Ram
Ram
Hare
Hare
Ram
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 Hare
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 Krishna Hare
Krishna Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
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 Ram
Ram
Hare
Hare
Ram
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 Ram Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare. So I got a message that my voice is coming low. Is that true?
Prabhuji, your voice is not loud enough for the listener.
Yeah, it's low.
Okay. Okay. Then let me see what I can do. Let me try with my iPods. Tripods. Hari bol. Hari bol.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna,
Hare
everyone.
Krishna. How's the voice now?
It's still very low.
Okay. How about now?
Same.
Hari bol. Okay. Microphone. Hare Krishna.
Now it's
Maybe
good.
better. Okay. Pretty system has two microphones. Hare Krishna, everyone. Once again, welcome to the program. And we just finished the show. Go ahead with the discussion. Before we start today's discussion, a very nice. Is the voice okay or it's still cutting?
No, Prabhu, still not unable to listen to you clearly, Prabhu.
That is my phone. In the meantime, if someone would like to read this wonderful snippet from Srila Prabhupada Leela,
Should I read? Okay.
Yeah.
Early one morning, Subal left the land at Ramanvirthi, where he had been staying, and approached Srila Prabhupada on the roof of the Radha Damodar temple. Prabhupada, he said, I am having so much difficulty. I don't have time to read. I can't chant my rounds properly. I can't think of Krishna. I'm always thinking of how this contractor is cheating us, or I'm thinking of signing checks for labor and materials. It's just too much. All these things on my mind are stopping me from thinking of Krishna. Do you think Arjun was simply meditating on Krishna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra? Prabhupada replied. Do you think Arjun was sitting in yogic trance while on the battlefield Krishna worked? No, he was fighting. He was killing for Krishna. He was thinking of all the soldiers he had to kill for Krishna. Thinking of the checkbook, thinking of the men, thinking of the contractor, this is also like Arjun's thinking. This is Krishna service. You should not worry about thinking of Krishna directly. Arjun wasn't sitting before Krishna in a trance meditating on his form. He was engaged in Krishna service. Similarly, this is Krishna service, and you should engage. Your life is full of Krishna service, and that is very good. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Bhavya. Is my voice okay now?
Yeah, it's perfect now.
Okay, Haribo. So, just a very, very nice snippet from Srila Prabhupada Leela Amrit. So, the Srila Prabhupada Leela Amrit is for us, the followers of Srila Prabhupada, it is not less than Bhagavatam. So, we should definitely find an opportunity to read these volumes. There are 6 volumes, and wonderful, wonderful pastimes of Srila Prabhupada, how he started, how he struggled, how he started this movement, how it flourished, and how the Krishna consciousness movement was established all over the world. And more than the story, um, it is it is the struggle, the emotions, the service uh, towards the devotees, from the devotees, wonderfully described in these 6 volumes. So I will highly encourage all of you to get copies of these 6 volumes of Srila Prabhupada Leelamrit. If anyone is interested, we can also try to get it in discounted price through BBT, through ISKCON Temple. But definitely we should, and our kids especially should definitely read these books. That will establish their faith in this path of devotion. So the idea in this particular snippet was how practical this Bhagavad Gita is. So bhakti is not just an emotion, right? It's a practical science. That's how Srila Prabhupada established this science, the science of Krishna consciousness all around the world. And how whatever we are discussing, whatever we are trying to understand, should not make us passive. It should make us more active in our life. Setting our priorities right. Over the course of the whole week, slowly and slowly our priorities get changed. And when it comes to weekend, we definitely look, I hope everyone looks forward to get together for the satsang, for the sadhu sang, and then we again try to get on the track. But the idea is that how can we sustain the same energy, same enthusiasm every day in our life to keep our priorities right. So I was hearing a lecture from Srila Prabhupada on Chaitanya Charitamrita this morning. And Srila Prabhupada was saying, we are in such unfortunate times in this Kali Yuga. Why? Because in this times of Kali Yuga, everyone, all people are very dull. They are very less intelligent. And they are very unfortunate. Why? Because they have forgotten the real purpose of this human birth. The real purpose, this human body has been awarded to us after millions of lifetimes, after going through all the other yonis, all the other species. This is the opportunity to put our spiritual life in priority and connect back to the Supreme God. That's the whole purpose of our spiritual life. Rest all things that we do are to just support our this main goal. But we are so less intelligent that, first of all, very unfortunate because nobody has told us, nobody from birth. We have done prayers, we have gone to temples, but nobody has really told us the purpose of life. So our conditioning is like that. So we are very unfortunate, first of all. Second, very less intelligent. Even when we try to study these transcendental literature, hear so many lectures on the topic, we just don't have firm faith. It takes so much time to understand what is our real priority. So Srila Prabhupada was giving very nice lecture. I will actually share, I will download it and share with all of you. Hearing from a pure devotee will definitely make a different impact than I'm saying here. I'm just trying to share what I heard. And he also mentioned how our surroundings in this Kali Yuga are also very strong to pull us back from God, from Krishna. If we see our association, the kind of people we have to associate, willingly or even unwillingly, right? We end up associating with so many situations and people, advertisements all over the places, any magazines, any literature, you're driving, you can't even escape from the kind of advertisements we see. You switch on TVs and then you're bombarded with so many things that will drain a lot of energy, and it will increase the passion, the ignorance in our consciousness. So, and he was warning in the lecture that actually time is very, very less. How come we just don't understand that? There's so much time we are wasting, hardly any time. Especially in Kali Yuga, with our short lifespan, right? We see around us how there is no certainty of our lives. We can't afford to postpone our spiritual activities. Actually, this is not even activity, this is our responsibility, because that's why the life has been given to us, right? When we get a job, it's not an activity, it becomes a responsibility. Similarly, this body, this human form, is given to us by Krishna for this purpose. So it is just not that we have to treat our spiritual path as a practice or as an activity. It is our prime responsibility. because next time if we don't use it, Krishna may not award us the human body because we wasted it. So he very nice lecture that we should share with everyone. I mean, all of us are still fortunate because we got into the association of devotees, we get together. But in general, he was describing the people of Kali Yuga. So, and even Srila Narottam Das Thakur, he sings a beautiful prayer. What is that prayer? Hari Hari Bifale Janam Gunainu Manushya Janam Paya Radha Krishna Na Bhajiya Janiya Suniya Vishkhainu. So Shripad Narottam Das Thakur is saying that this rare form of human life, human body, right? I'm just wasting it. I got this human form, this Manushya Janam, and I have not worshipped Radha Krishna. I have not worshipped Krishna. I have not worshipped Radha. I have not taken this spiritual life sincerely, seriously. So what I am doing, Janiya Sunya Vish Khainu. I know this is my responsibility now, at least by coming in contact with the process, by coming in contact with devotees, by coming in contact with Srila Prabhupada, by coming in contact with Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, at least I know what is my prime responsibility. But still, what I'm doing, Janiya Sunya Vish Khainu. And this is the situation with all of us, that we just keep forgetting what is our prime responsibility. And he also sings, Golokera Prema Dhana Hari Nam Sankirtana Ratina Janmelo Kenetai Golokera Prema Dhana. So by causeless mercy of Krishna, by causeless mercy of devotees, we have received this valuable, this rare gift of Harinam. Very, very, very special gift, invaluable. Harinam, Golokera Premadhana. Why it's invaluable? Because it has come directly from Goloka, the highest planet, the highest spiritual planet. From Krishna's abode itself. And we have gotten this wonderful opportunity to participate in the Sankirtan movement of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So this is our greatest gift that we have got. So when we say causeless mercy, we say causeless mercy so many times. What does actually it means? Why do we call it as causeless mercy or causeless? What is the meaning of causeless? I hope everyone is listening carefully and participating, because cameras are off, so it's hard to know. You can raise your hand if you would like to answer the question. What is the meaning of causeless? It's important to understand. Okay, so causeless means, somebody would like to answer? I heard a voice.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Causeless means like we are not capable, we are not competent enough, but still Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna is giving us.
Yes, causeless because we do not deserve it. We do not have any qualification. Still, it has been gifted to us somehow because some devotees, they came in our contact. Srila Prabhupada, he spread this Harinam so much in every nook and corner of the world that, and he charged up the devotees, the followers, so much that everyone is sacrificing their time and energy and whatnot to spread this Harinam because they have understood the value of this Harinam. So how should we reciprocate? By being grateful, right? This is the least we can do, by grateful, by feeling the gratitude towards our acharyas, Srila Prabhupada and devotees for giving us this Harinam, and by cooperating, because that is real Sankirtan. Hmm? Sankirtan means coming together and doing kirtan, not separating out and doing kirtan. That is not Sankirtan. Hmm? So we have to get these fundamentals very, very clear. Otherwise, we will keep on thinking we are doing bhakti, but actually something else is happening because we will not get the mercy of the parampara. Because Srila Prabhupada is watching all of us. They may not be here in their bodies, but they are eternal, like Krishna, right? Their body is not the material body. The pure devotee is as good as Krishna. He is representative of Krishna. So the whole idea is being grateful to our parampara, being grateful to devotees, and coming together as a sankirtan, right? Like when we come together like this, sankirtan doesn't mean just singing and getting together and dancing. It also means coming together and doing all the services for Krishna. This is also sankirtan. Like we are doing a service right now by trying to understand the message of Krishna from Bhagavad Gita. This is also sankirtan. Thinking the thinking about each other so that we can serve each other. That is also sankirtan. So otherwise, what will happen? We will miss the boat, and time is very less. So we'll with that we will proceed with our discussion with the Bhagavad Gita, and because we're talking about Harinam, how can we forget Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? The Lord Himself who came to give us this Harinam. And He is the most merciful. And that's why the causeless mercy is happening. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not consider any offenses. We have to be just open to Him. The mercy is for everybody. We are not special. But what makes us special is that we opened our hands, right? And we took whatever, small or big amount of that mercy, at least. All of us are chanting, all of us are associating. So this is the most merciful appearance of Krishna that happened. And who gave us this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So another important thing is that be grateful to devotees, and also we have to take the shelter of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first. We should not forget that fundamental principle. Because he gave us the Maha Mantra, he appeared himself. So we have, and we all do that. I mean, it's not something new. How do we do that? Can anyone tell me how are we taking the shelter of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day, whether knowingly or unknowingly? Anyone else? So I will have to start calling names because I want to make sure everyone is listening carefully. So I will ask my question again. How do we think that we are taking or the shelter of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day?
By chanting.
Yes, and what? Yes, absolutely.
By greeting each other.
Yes, that is another answer. Thank you. And
by remembering Krishna.
Wonderful. And what else we do when we start chanting every round?
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu.
Hari Bol. So when we chant Hare Krishna, we are associating with Krishna directly. And Krishna does take offenses. But the remedy to those offenses is keep on chanting. But when we chant Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakti Vrinda, there is absolutely no offenses. And that's why our spiritual masters have asked us to chant that mantra before each round. So we are asked in advance, we are begging for mercy that whatever offenses I will make, knowingly or unknowingly, when chanting Hare Krishna mantra, please forgive me. So thank you so much for answering that question. And so if we are not chanting that mantra before our rounds of Hare Krishna, please start doing it. I hope everyone has that mantra. I can post it again on the group chat. So now we are discussing about how a person who is Yoga Yukta. Yoga Yukta means a Karma Yogi, who is a pure devotee.
what are the characteristics of such a devotee, so that we can also aspire and we can also endeavor to become such a devotee, because that's what Krishna wants us to become slowly and slowly. So far what we discussed, one of the characteristics was one who has controlled mind, hmm? One who has controlled his mind and senses. What does it mean? That he has tuned his mind and senses with the desires of Krishna and devotees. Whenever we talk about mind control, controlling our senses, what we have to understand, what does it mean in bhakti for us? In bhakti, it doesn't mean that, I'm in meditation, I have no thoughts, I have no desires, because that is not possible, first of all. The meaning of controlling our mind and senses is that we have tuned our desires that comes up in our mind and our activities of our senses with what Krishna likes us to do. Making sense? Yes, no?
Yes, Prabhu.
Haribo. Please feel free to jump in or add or discuss anything in between. That's not a problem at all. We want to make sure we all understand and don't lose out on any of the points. Because when we have this short 40-45 minutes of session, please understand that there is some homework that has been done, and we are trying to discuss very concise summary of very detailed topic. So it will be always nice to make sure we are very attentive. So yeah, so one who has controlled his mind and intelligence and senses means one who has tuned his mind and senses with the desires of Krishna. And what are the desires of Krishna? That's what we are learning in Bhagavad Gita. That's what the instructions of our spiritual masters are. That's what the instructions of our senior devotees are. So these instructions, these desires of Krishna, whether we like it or not, whether we have yet full faith or not, they come through these channels only. No other channel. We can keep on devoting, we can like it or not like it, we can criticize, but this is how the parampara system is working. Because Krishna's desires and his likes and dislikes, Krishna will not come to us directly. And when we will read this literature, we will not understand properly. So they are revealed to us in the form of instructions from senior devotees, from our spiritual masters. When we hear the katha, when we discuss these things, a lot of realizations will come. Then we should make sure we confirm whether my realization is good or not, right? So this is the whole science. So that's how the desires of Krishna are revealed to us. So, and other thing we discussed was Yog Yukta. Let me go back to the previous verse. A person who is Yog Yukta, he is in all activities, he's remembering Krishna, whether he's speaking, walking, eating, sleeping, right? Doing any activity. That was another characteristics that we discussed last time. So let's go to today's verse, 5.10. Brahmani adhaya karmani sangam tyaktva karoti yaha lipyatena sa papena padma patram ivambhasaha. Anyone would like to repeat?
ब्रह्मण्याध्याय कर्माणि संगम व्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न से पापेन padmapatraम ivambhasa.
Thank you. Brahmani, unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Adhaya, resigning. Karmani, all works. Sangam, attachment. Tyaktava, giving up. Karoti, performs. Yaha, who. Lipyate, is affected. Na, never. Saha, he. Papen, by sin. Padma patram, a lotus leaf. Eve, like. Ambhasa, by the water. Translation: one who performs his duty without attachment, surrendering the results unto the Supreme Lord, is unaffected by sinful action. as the lotus leaf is untouched by water. Anyone would like to quickly read the purport? Who has not read yet? Mamina Mataji, would you like to read purport?
Yes, Prabhuji. Here, Brahmani means in Krishna consciousness. The material world is a sum total manifestation of three modes of material nature, technically called Bradhana. The Vedic hymns, Sarvam Hi Idat Brahma, Manu Dukya Upanishad 2.
Mandukya Upanishad.
Tasmad Itad Brahma Nama Rupam Anam Cha Jayate. That's in Upasid 1.1.9. And in Bhagavad Gita, Mama Yonir Mahad Brahma indicate that everything in the world, in the material world, is a manifestation of Brahman. And although the effects are differently manifested, they are non-different from the cause. In the Isopanishad, it is said that everything is related to the Supreme Brahman or Krishna, and thus everything belongs to him only. One who knows perfectly well that everything belongs to Krishna, that he is the proprietor of everything, and that therefore everything is engaged in the service of the Lord, naturally has nothing to do with the results of his activities, whether virtuous or sinful. Even one's material body being a gift of the Lord for carrying out a particular type of action can be engaged in Krishna consciousness. It is then beyond contamination by sinful reactions, exactly as the lotus leaf. Though remaining in the water is not wet, the Lord also says in Gita 3.30, Mai sarvani karmani sannyasaya. Resign all works onto me, Krishna. The conclusion is that a person without Krishna consciousness acts according to the concept of the material body and senses, but a person in Krishna consciousness acts according to the knowledge that the body is the property of Krishna and should therefore be engaged in the service of Krishna.
Jai, beautiful purport. A person in Krishna consciousness acts according to the knowledge that the body is the property of Krishna and should therefore be engaged in the service of Krishna. So if we see, nothing new, right? Srila Prabhupada keep on saying the same point again and again. Why? Because we just don't get it. No many times how many times he's repeating. Okay, so before we delve into this purport or this verse, what is sin? So sin is something, any action performed in separation from Krishna. Very simple definition. We don't need to get any technical about it. Simple definition of sin is any action we perform in separation from Krishna. So now we can judge how much sins we are incurring every day, at every moment, and how much we have to start avoiding that. So now what Krishna is saying here is, one of the misunderstanding that people have when they read Gita is that Krishna is asking us to leave our activities. Absolutely not. If you remember the text from Lilamrit that we read before we started discussing the verses, Krishna is not asking us to leave anything. What he's saying is just offer everything to me. And Srila Prabhupada say, what is the difficulty with this? If we are working for somebody, then automatically our activities, the results of all our activities is offering to them anyway. So it's not a new concept. We just don't know whom to offer the results of our activities. That is the problem. So Srila Prabhupada is giving us the example of a lotus leaf, right? All of us have seen lotus at some point of time. So usually it is in a pond, and especially the filthy, the dirty ponds. But lotus leaves, they have a special animal covering, so that even if a drop comes of water comes on the leaf, it won't remain there, right? It is always dry. That's a special character of that animal, the leaves. Likewise, when we get covered with this enamel of the pure knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, and the thicker this covering, the enamel we are covered with, the dirt of this material world cannot contaminate us. We can still remain pure in our consciousness. That is the meaning of this particular verse. We could be doing, might be doing so many things, but still we can remain detached. Now, why Krishna keeps on repeating, why Srila Prabhupada keeps on repeating the same things in the purport? Because so many times they are saying, give up your attachment, give up your attachment. Have we really been able to give up? Maybe a little bit, depending on our priorities, but not to the extent that we should be. So the answer, if we check ourselves, will be no. We have not been able to give up our attachment yet, even after years of hearing the same message again and again. That's why Krishna is saying again and again, what he's saying? Sangam tyaktava karoti. Sangam tyaktava. Give up your attachment and offer the results of your action to me. So why he wants us to offer to him? Does he needs anything? He needs anything from us? No. Because the more we remain attached, we will remain more bound and entangled to this world. And what is our goal? Why are we assembling here every Friday? Why are we chanting every day? Why are we performing devotional service every day? If we are doing it for getting something from Krishna, then that is a mixed bhakti, not pure devotion. So the idea of our gatherings are to develop the desire to get pure bhakti. So if we agree on that same goal, then our goal is to liberate from this world, not to get more entangled. So that's why we have to try to detach ourselves from the results. We can't detach ourselves from activities, meaning we have to still keep on doing our required duties and responsibilities. Okay. So what is the way? Whatever we do, we have discussed so many times, whatever we do in our daily life, we have to connect it with Krishna somehow. We have discussed so many examples. So Srila Prabhupada was so expert in this. He connected everything to Krishna. So once he was invited to a group of nudist community. I don't know how much of us have heard about this nudist community. This is a community who the members of such communities, they want to live in forest, more closer to nature, nothing to do with the regular people like us. They do not want to wear clothes, and they want to live more closer to nature. So once he was invited by them, so for Bhagavatam class, so the devotees, the followers of Srila Prabhupada, they were hesitant to ask Srila Prabhupada, but because the invitation was there, they gathered the courage and asked Srila Prabhupada that, Srila Prabhupada, we have been invited by this nudist community for a Bhagavatam class. Should we just decline it? Srila Prabhupada said, no, for Bhagavatam class, for Bhagavatam lecture, we should go. So out of compassion, Srila Prabhupada even agreed to go in the middle of such people. So he went there in the forest, wherever this group used to live, in the forest. He sat on the Vyasasana. They created a little stage and chair. So Srila Prabhupada did the Mangala Charan prayers, and while he was doing that, the whole space, that area got filled with these nude people. And when Srila Prabhupada opened his eyes after prayers, he see a big gathering of such people. But Prabhupada is special. I mean, if any one of us would be in that kind of assembly, we would definitely get disturbed. But Srila Prabhupada is very special soul. He's beyond the conception of body. So he started his lecture. He said, all of you have given up clothes, thinking you are closer to nature, thinking you are enjoying being naked in harmony with the nature. So now imagine how much you can enjoy if you can even give up this body, this covering of this body, this clothing also, and realize that you are not this body, you are a soul. Because this material body is also a dress. Now this group has never heard anything like that. They were just astonished when those words came out of a pure devotee. And they all started chanting with Srila Prabhupada right away there. And few people, they also picked up their clothes, got ready, and they requested Srila Prabhupada to join him. Because this ignorance was there, right? And Srila Prabhupada is so expert in turning any situation into Krishna conscious situation that how he related their propensity to be nude with how much they still are attached to their bodies. So the idea is that we need to detach and we need to attach our attraction towards Krishna. How? In each and every activity we do, bathing, cooking, driving. Again, we don't have to leave anything. Don't think that it's a stress on us. Whatever we are doing, we can keep on doing, but we offer it to Krishna. Okay, so now in today's times, everyone is looking for what? Antivirus, vaccines, right, for corona. So this Krishna consciousness, this process of chanting, this process of bhakti given to us, this science of Krishna consciousness is nothing but antivirus for material contamination. Otherwise, we will always be entangled. We will always remain contaminated unless and until we start taking this medicine, this antivirus of Krishna consciousness. Okay, any questions, any points on this verse? Okay, a very simple verse, right? Okay, so let's quickly discuss the next one also. It's kind of related to the previous one. Anyone would like to read?
कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिना कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वात्मा शुद्धये. The yogis, abandoning attachment, act with the body, mind, intelligence, and even with the senses, only for the purpose of purification.
Anyone would like to read the purport? Anita Mataji, Rachna Mataji, Madhu Didi, Mamina Mataji. Yeah, Rama Prabhu, if you want to go.
When one acts in Krishna consciousness for the satisfaction of senses of Krishna, any action, whether of the body, mind, intelligence, or even the senses, is purified of material contamination. There are no material reactions resulting from the activities of Krishna conscious person. Therefore, purified activities, which are generally called Sad Achara, can be easily performed by acting in Krishna consciousness. Sri Rupa Goswami, in his Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, describes this as follows. Iha yasya harer tasya karmana manasa gira nikhilasva api
Nikhilasva api avasthasu
jivanamukha sauchyate. A person acting in Krishna consciousness, or in other words, in the service of Krishna, with his body, mind, intelligence, and words is liberated person even within the material world. Although he may be engaged in so many called material activities, he has no false ego, for he doesn't believe that he is this material body or that he possesses the body. He knows that he is not this body and that this body doesn't belong to him. He himself belongs to Krishna and the body too belongs to Krishna. When he applies everything produced of the body, mind, intelligence, words, life, wealth, etc., whatever he may have within his possession to Krishna service, he is at once devitaliated with Krishna. He is one with Krishna and is devoid of the false ego that leads one to believe that he is the body, etc. This is the perfect stage of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Beautiful purport. So a karma yogi, a pure devotee who is in Krishna consciousness, he may seem like doing the same activities that other ordinary people are doing, right? Using his mind, body, intelligence, senses. But the difference is Sangam Tyaktavatma Shuddhaye. He's doing, a pure devotee is a person, an ordinary person is doing all the activities for the pleasure of his senses in some form or the other. But this pure devotee does this thing for Atma Shuddhaye. No strings attached, no attachment. So best example is what Srila Prabhupada used to give. Think of a bank cashier, right? A cashier in a bank. He's counting millions of dollars every day, millions and millions of dollars, depending on, of course, how much money that bank has. But is he attached to that money? He knows that this money doesn't belong to him. And he handles that money in a very detached manner, right? And performs his job nicely, even more carefully, more responsibly. In spite of knowing that this money doesn't belong to him, he's more responsible because he's doing it for his employer, his bank. Similarly, a pure devotee is more conscious, he's more responsible because he knows whatever he's doing on behalf of Krishna. Very important point. Whatever the consciousness we have to generate is, okay, for example, right now we are assembled here. So what should be our consciousness? One consciousness could be, oh, okay, just a regular program. I have to show my face. I have to attend, right? Another consciousness could be, I want to learn something. I want to discuss something so that I can use in my spiritual progress. Even better consciousness will be, because this will please Krishna. How will this please Krishna? Because he will see me making this endeavor, this sacrifice of my time and energy to learn about him, to associate with his devotees. Associating with devotees is also a seva. Because as a devotee, our mood should always be to give, right? Right? So when we associate, we participate, also we are serving, whether sometimes we are not in the right frame of mind, we might be tired, right? Because of our long day, but still we are making our effort to somehow give our association. So that's also a service. We are encouraging, inspiring, and giving enthusiasm to each other by participating. So it's just not about, what can I get? It should be about how can I serve in some way or the other? How can I participate? And how can I show to Krishna that I'm serious? So when everything is fine, right? Our day is good. It's a holiday, let's say Friday. Then attending spending 1 hour, 2 hours is very easy. It's even more glorious and it pleases more to Krishna when even in spite of our busy day, we take this spiritual practice as our priority. I hope this is very easy thing to understand, right? So that's the consciousness we have to come into. We are doing the same thing. Srila Prabhupada say, we are reading, we are discussing, we are talking, we are dancing, we are chant, or we are singing. So whenever we get together in real, in person, we chant, we sing, we dance together on Sundays or Fridays, whenever our programs are. Same activities can be done, same singing and dancing can be done in the nightclub, right? But the difference is what we are doing is for our Atma Shuddhi. The word used in this verse is Atma Shuddhi, the last two words. To purify our soul, our consciousness. Okay. So we might see a devotee is also going to a store, making purchases, and cooking, eating, and others also do the same activities. But devotee is doing everything for Krishna. He is buying for Krishna. What can I make for Krishna today? What can I cook for Krishna today? How can I serve devotees today? Like when we have our real programs on Fridays, all the Matajis especially, they have this consciousness. In spite of their work day, how can I, cook something good for the devotees? Right? That's what Krishna likes. That's what pleases him. When we go out of our comfort level. Okay? That is the meaning of this verse. And how to surrender and submit to devotees, to Krishna. Before I get into that, any questions, any comments, any additions, anything I might have misspoken you would like to correct? Whatever I'm saying is I'm speaking to myself first. So please forgive me if something you think I might be misspeaking, but you can correct me also. Any questions on whatever we have discussed so far? It's almost 9 o'clock, but we can spend few more minutes. We will still be able to stop at 9:30. I mean, the points are the same, but we are just trying to understand them better and trying to remind ourselves more. Any realizations that somebody might have got with this discussion, or something that we would like to add to our spiritual practice from tomorrow after this discussion, or get maybe something that might have reminded ourselves of something that we have forgotten? Anyone would like to share?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam.
Very nice class and very nice topic. And I feel like I'm going through cleansing.
Thank you for sharing. Yeah, and actually you brought up a very good point. That is just like when we chant, we are getting cleansed with each chanting. When we read these transcendental talks of Krishna, it purifies our consciousness. So you are right on the spot. Thank you for making me realize that. It's cleaning all of us.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you for making us also realize that. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. I mean, to be honest, if we read Srila Prabhupada's purport, nothing else needs to be known, but our Kali Yuga buddhi is so less that we need to, churn it a little more, remind ourselves, push ourselves. So please forgive me if sometimes I tend to push too much, but I think that is the service given to me. So I hope devotees don't mind that. Anyone else would like to share anything? Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, so I would like to share one thing. So I was reading, I don't remember where, but somebody was commenting like Bhaktisiddhanta Thakur was the first guru or sannyasi who started using cars for traveling from one place to another. So the people commented. So the Prabhupada was explaining in that we are like as in the shloka it was mentioned, dovetail everything in the service of Krishna, right? So they are not using it for the material, but for the preaching. If it is saves time, then they can preach at two different places rather than traveling like in a different mode of transportation. If it can save their time and they can preach more, then it is beneficial. Similarly, like Guru Maharaj always say that we all carry phone all the time. So Guru Maharaj, whenever he comes, he just say that play katha each and every room, wherever you are going, whatever you are doing. Just if you don't have time, just put it on the repeat mode. Just listen to one katha many times, then you will get many different realization, and you can use it in the service of Krishna, like you can use your phone in the service of Krishna. So Guru Maharaj always tell me like put katha every time, walking, talking, driving, shower, cooking, whatever you are doing, just put the katha on. So we can use our, like we were discussing, like how we can put everything and use everything in the service of Krishna.
Yes, thank you for sharing. Yeah, Guru Maharaj, whenever he comes, like as soon as he wakes up, we can hear Krishna Katha going on. Srila Prabhupada is speaking, he is hearing, and he teaches us by his example. Even today, he hears Srila Prabhupada every morning, first thing in the morning. And actually, that is very important. We have reminded ourselves many times. It is so important to hear Srila Prabhupada every morning. The reason is we can hear all the other lectures, but in 30-40 minutes of Srila Prabhupada, the amount of information, the amount of Krishna consciousness he gives us, right, is beyond our imagination. So please try. You can just go to Prabhupada radio, 24 hours Katha is going on. You just go to Google Prabhupada Katha. You can find various links with his Katha. We have shared so many times the links. Just first thing in the morning, 30 minutes as we are getting ready for our work, it will change your consciousness for the whole day. Hearing Srila Prabhupada, and of course our spiritual master, and chanting in the morning, that will change your day like anything, guaranteed. If you're not doing that right now, chanting anytime will help, but especially in the morning, we should at least try few rounds before
not change your day, made your day.
Yeah, it makes your day. Yeah. Haribo. So then in what mood should we chant? In a very humble and surrendered mood. Like the prayer Narottam Das Thakur was singing, right, in the beginning when we started the session, that I am wasting this human life. Manushya Janam Paya Radha Krishna Na Bhajiya. So I'm so fallen. So please help me out. Hey Radharani. It will be a beautiful pastime if we can spend 5 minutes more. That everyone knows the Dan Leela? Can few devotees say yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else? Dan Leela that happened between gopis and Krishna and Gop Sakhas in Govardhan. So there is a Dan Ghati, that where this Leela happened is known as, famous as Dan Ghati. So where you remember that Sakli Khor when we go around in Barsana, right? Similar thing happened here. So Krishna, what he did, once Vasudev Maharaj, he organized or arranged, we should say, a katha, sacrifice. He requested Bhaguri Muni to perform a yagna for the protection of Krishna and Balram. Because Vasudev Maharaj was in Mathura, but he knew how much trouble Kamsa's demons and his associates are giving, how much trouble to Brajvasis and especially Krishna and Balram. They are trying to kill them. So he requested Bhaguri Muni to perform a yagna, a sacrifice at Govind Kund in Braj. Now, as soon as gopis, they heard that something special is being done for Krishna, then what is the business of gopis? They want to serve right away. They don't think what is their responsibility. As soon as anything related to Krishna, they want to leave all their other activities and start serving that cause, directly Krishna or indirectly Krishna. So when they heard Bhaguri Muni is doing this sacrifice, so they, in groups, they started and going to with pots of milk and butter to serve in that sacrifice. They didn't even think twice, as soon as Krishna's cause, right away. Not like us, what will happen to my job? What will happen to so many other things, so many priorities I have? Right away, they leave everything. So Shri Radharani was also with them, and Krishna, what he did, and Gopsakha, they came to know that gopis are coming up with butter and pots of butter, pots of milk. So the business of Krishna is to have playful pastimes with gopis and Gopsakhas. So they all arrive on the scene in the middle of that route, and they stopped, they obstructed the way of gopis, demanding, and Krishna self-appointed himself as the king of Braja. I am the son of Nand Maharaj, who is the king of Braja. So I am prince. I'm also a king. Maybe in the future, but I'm also king. So you should give me the tax, toll, before you can pass on this way. You're selling this butter, you're selling this milk in volumes and volumes, and you're making so much profit. So he was just, harassing them. And they collected. So it's a long pastime. I wanted to go to the next pastime, what happened. So that's in short, if someone has not heard the Dan Ghati, the Dan Leela, this is what happened, and they collected taxes from gopis. Now, gopis, who wins in Braj? Whenever something happens, some debate or competition happens, who wins in Braj?
Radharani.
Krishna or gopis?
Gopis.
Gopis, right? Mm-hmm. So now gopis, they knew now Krishna is feeling very proud. Oh, I have harassed them successfully. We, troubled them. So they were feeling very proud, Krishna and his Gopsakhas. So now Radharani and gopis, they wanted to get even with them. They are not the ones who will keep quiet. So next day, they found Krishna and Gopsakhas were traveling near or walking near this another place called as Dan Nivartan Kunda. Now this name was given after this Leela that I'm going to speak, but they saw, and then right from those hills that you're seeing, millions and millions of gopis, they just start appearing. They have the target of teaching them a lesson today. So they all assembled and they all surrounded these Gopsakhas and Krishna. And what they did, everybody in Braj, they have shikha. So they tied their shikha to trees. Imagine that. Radharani and Gopiya, they're tying the shikha of Krishna and Gopsakhas with the trees. Now, and started slapping them on the cheeks. We can visualize the scene, right? Krishna is getting slapped, Gopsakhas are getting slapped. Today they didn't want to leave them. And then what happened? The Gopsakhas, they started crying. And especially Madhumangal. Everyone knows Madhumangal, very close associate of Krishna and a Brahmin and a little funny character. And he started yelling, shouting, why the hell I associate with these Gopas? I have nothing to do with this taxing business. I am a Brahman, I am a pure Brahman. I come from a Brahmin family. I am a respected Brahman. how gopis, they just can't do this with me. And he started shouting. And then Radharani was not in the front when all this was happening, but she was definitely inspiring and motivating the gopis. And then Radharani comes like a queen in the middle of the. Now Krishna is all king, his all proud was gone. So Radharani comes as a queen in between the assembly, and he demands Krishna, the only way we will let you and your friends go away if you bow down to us and you ask for forgiveness. So very sweet pastime. And Krishna had no choice. Just with the tide Shikha, imagine all the Gopas and Krishna is bowing down to Radharani and gopis and asking for forgiveness. So it's a sweet pastime between Radha, Krishna, gopis, but whatever pastimes they perform, there is to teach us some lesson that when we are practicing our devotion life, when we are chanting, anything we are doing, we should always remain that we are very fallen. We should always consider or accept at least that we have made so many faults. We are committing so many sins. So we should always ask for forgiveness to Radharani. And Radharani is so compassionate. When she realizes that soul is on the right track, and this soul, this person wants to serve Krishna in some way or the other, she will release us of our miseries. She will help us like anything. What she will do? She will offer us in the lotus feet of Krishna. What does it mean? What does it mean? That when we think we are serving Krishna, we are not serving Krishna actually. Until the mercy of Krishna, until Krishna sanctions, we can't even serve him. So we need mercy of Radharani. And that's why we chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We are begging to Radharani, Hey Hare, Hey Radharani, please engage me in the service of Krishna. And our mood should be very humble, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood. Trinadapi Sunichena, Tarorapi Saheshnuna, Amanina Manden Kirtaniya Sadahari. Very, very humble mood, without any pride, and it doesn't happen overnight. We keep on chanting, we keep on purifying ourselves with the association of devotees, serving the devotees. Service is very important. Okay, so just wanted to share this wonderful pastime. And the name of the place when this where gopis took their revenge is called as Dan Nivartan Kund. A lot of people don't know about this Leela. They don't go there. So, but when we go to Govardhan next time, we should make sure that we also go to this particular Kunda. The name, this was named after this Leela. Nivartan means to return, right? Where Krishna had to return their tax in the form of his asking, begging for forgiveness. So Krishna became, king earlier, and now he had to return whatever tax he had collected. Okay. So any questions? Anything anyone would like to add? It's 9:15. You can unmute yourself and say anything you would like to say. Okay. So I don't think we have found anyone for the Narasimha prayer. Anyone would like to volunteer quickly? No one, seriously. Okay, so before even we go into the Narasimha prayer, how's everyone doing? Let's open up for very informal chat. Please unmute yourself. At least say good, hi. All is good.
Doing good, Prabhuji.
Good,
Thank you.
Prabhuji.
Thank you. Also nice to hear the voices at least. Hari Bol. So, thank you. Thank you so much for joining. So two things, remember we were talking about how important it is to know our Guru Parampara, our spiritual masters, the Parampara we are in. So what we are doing is next two sessions, next 2 Fridays, January 29th and February 5th. You can see this slide. Hope this is a visual. So we are going to have a 2-day seminar, not back to back, on 2 Fridays. So 2 different Fridays. We'll have part 1 and part 2, and we will know we will have an overview of. It's not possible to cover or know about our parampara, this great parampara, in just few sessions. So what we discussed was we will get an overview in these 2 sessions, and then all of us will take up this service to cover one acharya, one spiritual master in the parampara, the Guru Parampara, and prepare something to talk about and share with each other. Maybe like for 10 minutes, whatever time it works out in our session. If we want to speak more in each session, we can also start our program a little early, because our regular 45 minutes Bhagavad study will keep on going. This will be in addition to that. So maybe if all of us can agree, we can start at 7:15, or if we want to still keep at 7:30, then we can spend 10 minutes kind of presentation. So all of us will need to participate. I mean, of course, I cannot order, I can request, and it will help us immensely. Unless we understand, know about our acharyas, where this knowledge is coming through parampara, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, this knowledge has to come in parampara, in disciplic succession. We have to hear it from a bona fide disciple in the parampara. Otherwise, this transcendental knowledge will not reveal to us. Now, why so? Because when we hear that statement from Krishna, we may accept it, but our faith is still not there. When we start knowing about our acharyas, the glory is who they are. They are nothing but no one else but direct associates of Radha and Krishna. So that hearing these statements will not make that much impact unless we go dive more into their lives, what they have done, how they have done. So with that, we will start with the first session next Friday. And then after 2 sessions, we'll continue with 10 minutes of presentations. Does that sound okay to everyone? Everyone feels comfortable, and we can always take each other's help to prepare the material. Any comments, any suggestions? Everything is welcome. Yeah, go ahead, Tungvidya.
I just wanted to say thumbs up, and I did raise hand. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, great. Mominda Mataji also said she's looking forward to it. Thank you so much. I'm also looking forward to it. It's so much to learn about them. So important to learn about them. Everyone else is okay?
Yes.
Anita Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes,
Okay.
Prabhuji.
Krishna Mataji and Radha Mataji says yes. Yeah, okay. Ram Babu Prabhu. Okay. So I will try to do my best when it will come to allocate the presentation, but we can always interact to change the topic, change something you want to, some other your spiritual master or some other acharya you are more comfortable with. We can always work through that. That will be a good way to dive more into the lives of. See, this Bhagavatam, when it will come to Bhagavatam is nothing but the pastimes of devotees, and this is Bhaktamal, nothing else. Bhaktamal, knowing about devotees, reading about them, and their lives purifies us, and Krishna becomes very pleased. He says he gets more pleased when we discuss and glorify his devotees. So that's the whole idea. We are going to seek the blessings of 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan and our glorious Guru Parampara. Then there is a workshop on 3 Saturdays. as you can see on your slide. If you're interested, it's going to be a very wonderful course. And it will teach us the teachings of the principles of Bhagavad Gita in just three days. There will be 2 sessions on it. It's going to be almost 4 to 5 hours of session on each Saturday. So if you're interested, you can let me know, or you can directly let Anusuya Mataji know by sending an email to iskonhpg@gmail.com. All the information is in this slide. I have shared this slide. I will share it again. But I will highly encourage anyone who is serious to know more about Bhagavad Gita. Very qualified is not a right word. Very senior devotees, very esteemed devotees are going to take these sessions. Another thing. So I know it's too early. Any thoughts on Janmashtami Radhashtami 2021? We missed the grand celebration last time, but still we were able to celebrate very nicely with in the best possible manner at Amar Prabhu's Madhumataji's place last year. But this year, any thoughts? I mean, of course, it will all depend on how things go. So I'm proposing a date based on after seeing there is no other event going on in the nearby temples, no Rath Yatras. Janmashtami and Radhashtami will be over by that time. No Ekadashi on that date. So we are going to reserve Saturday, October 9th. And so I wanted to propose this date. And I have checked with our church where we usually have this program. So at least we have reserved that. And it will all depend on how the COVID situation goes, of course. But in Krishna consciousness, we should always plan like we plan any other activity. We should plan proactively. So again, I mean, it's right. I think I'm putting everyone on the spot, but just looking at the date, anyone sees any problem with that date? It's not Ekadashi and no other event in any other temple.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji is good.
Thank you, Mataji. So I will send an email to all the devotees who are not in the calls, especially a lot of Prabhujis don't attend call anymore. So so that they all are aware of this date. Thank you. What else? We can go to Narasimha prayers.
I can sing the Narasimha Arati if no one else wants to.
Is that Amish?
Yes.
Go ahead. It's your day today. Haribol.
Okay. Namaste Narasimhaya.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Praladadaine. Hiranyakashipurvasya. Shilatan Kanakalae. Ito Narsingo Parato Narsingo.
Ito Narsingo Parato Narsingo.
Yato Yami Tato Narsingo.
Yato Yami Tato Narsingo.
Bahe Narsingo Hirdaye Narsingo.
Bahe Narsingo Hridaye Narsingo.
Narsinga Madim Sharanam Papade.
Narsinga Madim Sharanam Papade.
Tavakara Kamalavare Nakam Abudashinga Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanuvringam Keshavadita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Khan Adbhut Shringam Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubringam Keshavadita Narhari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare
Jaya
Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jaya Narsimha Dev, Jaya Narsimha Dev, Narsimha Dev, Jaya Narsimha Dev.
Jaya Narsimha
Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj.
Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj,
Jaya Prahlad Maharaj.
Jaya Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada.
Jaya Prabhupada,
Srila Prabhupada.
Nityai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nityai Gaura Hari Bol.
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Gorpamanande.
Hari Bol.
हरि बोल भक्ति विघ्न विनाशक लक्ष्मी नरसिंह भगवान की जय प्रहलाद महाराज की जय किशोर किशोरी की जय श्री श्री गौर निताय की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. So thank you so much. Please keep everyone in your prayers and be safe and take care and we'll see you next Friday with our special series on our spiritual masters, our acharyas. Thank you, everyone. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Dandavat
Hare
Pranam. Jai Srila
Krishna.
Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Bol. Hare Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Amesh, for taking care of Kirtan and prayers both. Thank you so much. He must have left, I think. Yeah. Okay, I will close the session now.